It's amazing how technology is now in our backyards as well. And we have Greg Rowland with Growland. Okay, with lighting and technology and everything, there is so much to offer now.
There is. And we're just on the precipice of a whole new set of technology now that smartphones are out. Everyone's got an iPhone, everyone has an Android, and now there are controllers that have apps that you can turn your sprinkler system on. You
Really?
can change the program, you can turn it on manually, you can turn on your cameras at your home, and now they have come up with lighting technology that you can turn on and reset your programming for your outdoor lights right from your phone also.
Oh, that's amazing.
It's gone all the way from a transformer, which is like the big controller that you can control with your phone, and now they have just individual bulbs that you can install, so you don't have to go through redo all of your wiring or do anything. Now you put in, just change out the bulbs, and these bulbs have Wi-Fi technology, and you can program each one of those or a set of those on one line to come on or go off, change colors, intensity, you can fade them all from your phone.
That's crazy.
It's amazing.
Well, and we're used to that in our homes, but in the backyard landscaping, that's amazing that that's there as well. So I know a lot of people want to check out more of this and more information, because I know you do everything in the yards. Amazing landscaping, making like pure oasis. So really, they just need to pick up the phone and call you.
They do. This is just an extension of everything that we do already.
Exactly.
So we can take it all the way from the beginning all the way to the end, maintain it when you're done. They just need to give me a call.
Exactly. Well, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.